Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to use FlexClip's AI music generator. Find this tool on the front page and click to open it. Here, you can preview some music samples. Click Generate AI Music now. Log in with your account first. AI Music Generator provides 3 modes: music, instrumental, and sound effects. Switch modes and you can check some relevant samples on the right side. If you love one of them, click the Remix button, and we can create similar music. Let's start. If you want to create a song with music and lyrics, choose Music mode. Select a music sample as a reference or upload your local music. Next, upload a voice file, record your own voice, must be singing, or try our samples. Enter lyrics in the text box. Or describe the lyric you need, and click Generate. AI will write lyrics for you. Finally, click Generate. If you want to create music without vocals, choose Instrumental mode. Upload your local music as a reference or try our sample. Click Generate. If you want to generate sound effects, choose Sound Effects mode. Input prompt to describe the sound effects you want to generate. Click Generate. Preview the generated music. You can download it directly, or use it to make a video. If you dislike it, just delete it and create a new one. You can also download or delete multiple music tracks at once. By the way, click One Music Clip. You can find an AI-generated cover, check the information of the music, copy the prompt, share this music to Facebook and Twitter, or send the link to others directly. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.